Imagine this. You've got goals, big ones. Maybe it's building a business. Maybe it's leveling up your fitness. Maybe it's just breaking free from the cycle of procrastination that keeps you stuck. But then something happens. Your brain betrays you. You sit down to focus, and suddenly you're scrolling TikTok. You want to eat clean, but your hand magically finds the chips. You promise yourself you'll wake up early, but the snooze button wins every battle. And here's the wild part, it's not your fault. Your brain, the very thing you rely on to make decisions, take action, and create your future, is also the thing sabotaging you. Why? Because no one ever taught you how to use it. Think about it. School taught you how to solve equations, memorize dates, write essays, but it never taught you how to fight procrastination, control your focus, or master your emotions. It never gave you the user manual for your own brain. And that's why most people are stuck. They're walking around with the most powerful machine on earth, the human mind, but they're running it on factory settings. But you're about to learn the upgrades. Because today I'm going to reveal the psychological hacks that schools never mention, but that can completely change how you think, act, and succeed. These aren't random tips. They're brain-based shortcuts backed by psychology and neuroscience tools that can help you outsmart your worst habits and finally take control of your mind. If you apply these, you won't just beat procrastination. You won't just stop overthinking. You'll unlock a version of yourself most people never get to see. So let's dive in. Hack Hash 1. Outsmart procrastination with a 2-minute trick. We've all been there. You have a task, and instead of doing it, you avoid it. You check your phone, you grab a snack. You convince yourself you'll start later. But here's the truth. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's your brain trying to avoid discomfort. Psychologists call this task avoidance when your brain links a task to pain, fear, or boredom. It pushes you to escape. Here's the hack. Shrink the task until your brain has no reason to resist. Tell yourself, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. 2 minutes of writing, 2 minutes of cleaning, 2 minutes of studying. What happens? Once you start, momentum kicks in. You trick your brain into bypassing resistance and entering flow. Think of it like starting a car on a cold morning. The hardest part is turning the key. But once the engine's running, you can go anywhere. The 2-minute trick outscores procrastination every time. Because instead of fighting your brain head-on, you're sneaking past its defenses. Hack Hash 2. Outsmart distractions with the one screen rule. Let's be honest. Most people don't fail because they're not smart enough. They fail because they're too distracted. Notifications, social media, endless tabs. Your brain wasn't designed to juggle all of this. Research shows every time you switch tasks, your brain wastes up to 23 minutes refocusing. Imagine how much time you're losing every single day. Here's the hack. The one screen rule. One task, one screen, one focus. If you're studying, no phone nearby. If you're working, no second screen running YouTube in the background. When your brain knows there's only one option in front of it, something amazing happens. It adapts. Distractions vanish. Focus sharpens. It's like training a wild horse. At first it resists, but with consistency, it learns discipline. One screen, one task, one sharp brain. Hack Hash 3. Outsmart overthinking with the parking lot method. Ever tried to focus, but your brain keeps throwing random thoughts at you? What if I fail? Did I text them back? Don't forget the laundry. This is overthinking your brain's attempt to keep everything active so you don't forget. But instead of helping, it paralyzes you. Here's the hack. The parking lot method. Keep a notebook or note app open. Every time a thought pops up, park it by writing it down. That's fine. Psychologists call this an offloading strategy. When your brain knows the thought is stored somewhere safe, it relaxes. The mental load disappears. Suddenly, your mind feels lighter. You've cleared mental space to actually focus on what matters. You're not fighting your brain, you're giving it reassurance. And that tiny shift can save you hours of wasted mental energy. Hack Hash 4. Outsmart laziness with the environment switch. Laziness isn't about who you are. It's about where you are. Picture this. You're lying on your bed with your laptop. Are you really going to write that essay, or are you going to slide into Netflix? Your environment triggers your behavior. That's why you eat in the kitchen, sleep in the bedroom, and watch TV in the living room. Here's the hack. Change your environment to change your actions. Need to study? Sit at a desk with nothing but your notes. Need to work out? Put on gym clothes and step outside. Need to brainstorm? Grab a notebook and walk to a coffee shop. Your brain links locations with habits. When you switch environments, you break old patterns and create new ones. You don't need more willpower. You need better cues. Hack Hash 5. Outsmart stress with the name it to tame it. Trick. Stress destroys focus. It hijacks your nervous system, floods you with cortisol, and makes even simple tasks feel impossible. But here's something powerful. Labeling your emotions reduces their power. Psychologists call this affect labeling. When you feel anxious, simply saying, "This is anxiety, this is stress, this is fear," calms the amygdala, the fear center of your brain. Why? Because once you label the feeling, your brain moves it from the emotional center to the rational center. You've taken the chaos and put it into words. Suddenly, it's not an overwhelming storm, it's just anxiety. And now, you can handle it. Hack hash 6. Outsmart forgetfulness with the hook method. You read something, you learn something, and then 2 days later, it's gone. And that's because your brain doesn't store information randomly, it stores it through connections. Here's the hack. Always hook new information to something you already know. If you meet someone named Rose, imagine them holding a rose. If you learn a new fact, connect it to a story, a joke, or a visual image. This is how memory champions remember decks of cards, not by brute force, but by making connections. Your brain is like Velcro. The more hooks, the more it sticks. Hack hash 7. Outsmart negative self-talk with the third-person shift. We all have that inner voice that says, "You're not good enough. You're going to fail. Why even try?" But here's the truth. That voice isn't you. It's just old programming. Here's the hack. Talk to yourself in third person. Instead of, "I can't do this," let's say, "You've got this. You've handled worse. Keep going." Psychologists call this distance self-talk. It creates space between you and the negative voice, allowing you to see it objectively. It's the same reason coaches don't say, "I can do this." They say, "You can do this," because hearing it from the outside hits differently. So next time self-doubt shows up, flip the script. Outsmart that voice by turning it into a coach, not a critic. Hack hash 8. Outsmart average thinking with the opposite day rule. Most people live on autopilot. They follow the crowd. They take the safe option. But here's the problem. If you think like everyone else, you'll live like everyone else. Here's the hack. When faced with a decision, ask yourself, what would the average person do? Then consider doing the opposite. Most people waste hours scrolling. Log off and build something. Most people hit snooze, wake up and get ahead. Most people spend money to impress, save, and invest. The opposite path feels uncomfortable, but that's the point. Growth never hides where comfort lives. This doesn't mean blindly rebel against everything. It means train your brain to question default choices. That habit alone can outsmart mediocrity and put you on the 1% path. Climax. Your brain can be your prison or your superpower. Here's the truth. Your brain will either be your greatest weapon or your biggest weakness. Left on factory settings, it will trap you in procrastination, distraction, overthinking, and fear. But upgraded with the right hacks, it can make you unstoppable. You don't need more motivation. You don't need to try harder. You need to outsmart the very system that's been holding you back. Every time you use one of these hacks, you're rewiring your brain. Every time you take action, you're breaking free from average. Every time you outsmart your mind, you step closer to the life most people will never taste. Call to action. So here's your challenge. Don't just listen. Apply one of these hacks today. Outsmart your procrastination. Outsmart your distractions. Outsmart the part of your brain that wants to keep you safe and small. Because the truth is, nobody's coming to rescue you. Nobody's going to reprogram your brain for you. It's on you. And the moment you take control, everything changes. If this video helped you see your brain differently, share it with someone who needs it. And if you're serious about becoming unstoppable, make sure you subscribe because I've got more strategies coming that school never dared to teach you. Your brain is powerful, but only if you take the wheel. So don't just live on autopilot. Outsmart it.